If you're a coach, you know you've got the talent. You've got the expertise, but let's be real. Packaging all of that genius into a clear, compelling offer that clients actually want to buy, that's the real head-scratcher.
It's the big question, isn't it? You're sitting there trying to figure out the right price, the right deliverables, what in the world to even call the thing. You know what you do is valuable, but translating that value into a structured package, well, that's a whole other beast.
And wow, that just hits the nail on the head. It's exactly like that. It feels like you have all these fantastic ideas, these puzzle pieces, but they're just scattered all over the table. You're not quite sure how they click together to make a picture that a client can look at and say, yes, I need that.
Well, that feeling of frustration, it ends today. We are going to solve that puzzle right here, right now. We're going to walk through a super clear, step-by-step process to build a powerful coaching offer from the ground up. We're turning that scary blank page into a package you're going to be so proud of.
And the key to solving this puzzle is a tool you probably already have access to, artificial intelligence. But I want you to think about it in a new way. Not as some creative replacement that's going to take your job, but as your personal offer architect.
Think of your AI architect as your new best friend, your collaborator. It's brilliant at all the structural work, the outlining, the logistics, the heavy lifting. This frees you up to do what only you can do. Pour your unique personality, your expertise, and your soul into the offer.
Now, an architect is only as good as the blueprint they're given, right? And in the world of AI, your prompt is the blueprint. A vague, fuzzy prompt is going to get you a vague, wobbly structure. But a sharp, detailed prompt, that gets you a rock-solid foundation for your offer.
So how do we get this prompt right every single time? It really all comes down to 4 essential pillars. You get these 4 things into your blueprint, and you're going to get a fantastic result from your AI architect. Let's break them down.
First up, your audience. And I mean really specific, like laser-focused. Women is just way too broad. But what about female entrepreneurs who are stuck in the daily grind? Now we're talking. See the difference? That kind of specificity gives the AI a crystal-clear target to build for. Second, the problem. What's their specific pain point? What is literally keeping them up at night? For our entrepreneur, it's that they are struggling to delegate tasks and are burning out. That is a concrete problem the AI can really sink its teeth into. Third, the transformation. This is the after picture. Don't just aim for something vague like making them happy. Give the AI a real, tangible destination. For example, helping them build a sustainable business with a team they trust. Now that's an outcome. That's a result.
And finally, number 4, the deliverables. This is where you tell the architect what building materials to use. You basically just give it a shopping list. You might say, hey, I need you to include one-on-one sessions, weekly email check-ins, and a custom action plan. You provide the list of ingredients, and check this out. Here's how it all comes together. You give the AI a role, like professional coaching offer architect. You define your client, their struggle, and then you ask it to generate a detailed outline. By feeding it all 4 of those pillars we just talked about, the AI has everything it needs to build that logical structure for you in seconds. It's amazing.
Okay, so the AI has given you a fantastic outline. It's a perfect skeleton. But here's the thing. Nobody buys a skeleton, right? So now comes the most important part. Taking that structure and breathing your life, your soul, and your unique value into it.
This is the fundamental partnership. The AI handles the what and the how, the structure and the components. You provide the why. You're the one who connects those components to real human benefits. This is where your coaching magic truly, truly happens. This right here is where the magic happens. Look at the left side. The AI might give you a feature, like weekly one-on-one sessions. I mean, it's correct, but it's kind of cold, right? It's just a skeleton. Your job is to translate that feature into a feeling, into soul. You turn it into the promise on the right, a deep dive to tackle challenges, get clarity, and delegate without guilt. You feel that difference? That's what sells.
So now you've got it. You have your path to clarity. You have a repeatable process to beat the blank page, to structure your genius, and to create offers that are not just clear, but are deeply and truly authentic to you.
So what's the big takeaway from all this? First, AI is your assistant, not your replacement.
Its job is to remove all that frustrating structural guesswork. And what that does is it frees you up to be more creative and more authentic. Just remember that core partnership. The AI provides the skeleton, but you're the one who breathes soul into it.
So, your blueprint is ready. The foundation is set. The only question left is, what amazing, transformative, and truly authentic offer will you build first?